Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 6. This is chapter 9 linear equations from syntax book. What is the linear equation? The mathematical sentence with sign is equal to and also with the different operations plus, minus, multiply, division and including any one variable is known as the linear equation. For example, you can see here 7 plus 5x is equal to 3x plus 15. There is only one variable. This is a linear equation in one variable x. What are the non-linear equations? There are some examples. X square minus 5 is equal to 0. X cube upon 4 is equal to 9. 7 square root of y minus x is equal to 8. xy plus x upon y is equal to 3. These are the example of non-linear equation. Why these are non-linear equations? Non-linear equation has not represent a straight line on the graph. If we draw a graph, it represents curves and they are containing two or more equations with two or more variables. You can see x square, x cube, square root of y. These are all non-linear equations. Case number 1 is x plus b is equal to d. This is the form of case number 1 where b and d are the constant. This is an example and we are solving the equation of case 1. Number 1, x plus 9 is equal to 12. We have to find out the value of x. So plus 9 is shifted to the right side and it become minus. Plus change into minus. 12 minus 9 is 3. X is equal to 3 is the answer. Verification is by putting x is equal to 3 in original equation, which is x plus 9. It becomes 3 plus 9, which is equal to 12. Now left hand side is equal to right hand side. It is verified. Case number 1 is verified. Now this is case number 2. Ax plus b is equal to d, where a, b and d are constant. Now the example is 5x minus 7 is equal to 8. Now x is multiplied by 5. We are finding out the value of x. 5x is equal to 8 plus 7. Minus 7 is shifted to the right side. It becomes plus. 8 plus 7 is 15. And 5 is multiplied by x. So when 5 is shifted to the right side, it becomes divide. It becomes into division. 15 upon 5 is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 is the answer. Now the verification is by putting x is equal to 3, which is the answer of x, in equation number 2, which is the original equation. We get 5x, 5 into 3. 15 minus 7 is 8. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Equation is verified. Now case number 3 is ax plus b is equal to cx plus d. This is another form. Now the example is 6x plus 5 is equal to 3x minus 7. Solution is there are two sides, right hand side and left hand side. In algebra, like terms can be added and subtracted. 6x and 3x are the like terms. 3x is moving to the left side and plus 5 is moving to the right side. Sign will be changed. 6x minus 3x is 3x and minus 7 minus 5. Two same sign will be added. It become minus 12. The sign will be of greater term. Greater term is minus 7. So sign will be of minus. Now 3 is multiplied by x, shifted to the right side, it changed into the fraction. Minus 12 upon 3 is equal to minus 4. This is the answer. Now the verification is by putting answer. Answer is x minus 4. X is equal to minus 4 in original equation, which is equation number 3rd. We get 6x means 6 into minus 4 plus 5 is equal to 3x means 3 into minus 4 minus 7. 6 into minus 4 is minus 24. Minus 24 plus 5 is minus 19. They are different sign. Terms will be subtracted. 24 minus 5 is 19. But sign of greater term is minus. Now 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. Minus 12 minus 7 is minus 19. So right hand side is equal to left hand side. This equation is verified. This is case number 4. A bracket bx plus c is equal to dx plus c. On the left hand side there is a bracket with binomial bx plus c, where a, b and c and g are the constants. Question is for 2 bracket x plus 3 is equal to 5x minus 9. Solution is first by the BODMAS rule. On the left hand side there is a bracket. By removing the bracket we get 2 is multiplied by x, 2x plus 2 into 3 is 6. 2x plus 6 is equal to 5x minus 9. By arranging the like terms, 5x is shifted to the left hand side. It changed into minus. 2x minus 5x is minus 3x. Two different sign will be subtracted and the sign will be of greater term. Greater term is 5. So we are writing minus here. Okay. Minus 9 plus 6 is changed into minus by shifting to the right hand side. The signs are same. Minus 9 minus 6 is minus 15. Now we are removing minus 3. Minus 3 is multiplied by x. It changed into division. Minus 15 upon minus 3 is equal to 5. Minus signs are cancelled out and 3 5s are 15. X is equal to 5 is the answer of equation. Now the verification is by putting x is equal to 5 in original equation, which is equation number 4. 2 bracket x plus 3. 2 bracket x plus 3 is by putting the value of x, 5 plus 3 is 8. 2 into 8 is 16. On the left hand side, 5x minus 9 is 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is 25. 25 minus 9 is 16. So that left hand side is equal to right hand side. The equation is verified. Now case number 5 is linear equation with fractional coefficients, and question is 2 bracket x plus 3 upon 5 is equal to 9 plus 5x upon 13. There are two denominators 5 and 13 and this is the fractional coefficient form. Solution is first you find out the LCM of denominator 5 and 13, which is 65. Okay. Now by multiplying LCM, which is 65, we get 65 into 2 bracket x plus 3 upon 5 is equal to 65 multiply 9 plus 5x upon 13. We are writing in the bracket. Okay. Now 65 is divided by 5 is 13. We get 13 into 2 bracket x plus 3. It is the left hand side, and on the right hand side 65 is multiplied by 9 plus 65 is multiplied by another term, which is 5x upon 13. Okay, by solving 13 into 2 is 26 bracket x plus 3. 65 into 9 is 585 plus 13 and 65 are cancelled out. We get 5 into 5x, which is 25x. 585 plus 25x is the right hand side, and on the left hand side 26 is multiplied by x, 26x. 26 into 3 is 78. Now by arranging the like terms, 25x is shifted to the left hand side. It changed into minus. 26x minus 25x is equal to x, and 585 minus 78 is 507. This is the answer of equation. X is equal to 507. How can you do verification of this equation? By putting x is equal to 507 in original equation, which is 5. We get 2 bracket 507 plus 3 upon 5 is equal to 9 plus 5 bracket 507 upon 13. By solving both sides, we get 204. Left hand side is 204 and right hand side is also 204. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, so it is verified. Now the homework is do exercise 9.2, all question on your algebra copy with verifications.